Hello guys, so today we are going to solve the lead code problem number 3622, that is the check divisibility by digit, sum and product. So in this question, you are given a positive integer and determine whether n is divisible by the sum of the following two value, the digit of sum and the digit of product of n. We have to return true. So what in this question it is asking, if it is saying that if number, okay, if number percentage sum of digit plus product of digit, okay, product of digit equal to 0, then we have to return true. So this is the basic condition in the question. It is saying this thing. You can see through the example also that 99. So for the 99, our number will be 99. Okay, and sum of digit is 18. So sum of digit will become 18 here. Okay, and then product of digit. What is the product of digit? It is 81. So product of digit becoming 81. Then it is divisible by 0. Then output is 2. So we have to find basically the digit of the number, and then we have to find sum of digit, and then we have to find product of digit, and then we have to return true accordingly. So for this kind of the question, it is very basic DSA questions. We have to find the digit of the number. So for to finding the digit of the number, what we can do, while, okay, there will be something, and we can say while let digit, okay, let digit, and we can say it is n percentage 10. This thing will be give me the digit, and then we will update n equal to math dot seal, and it will be n divided by 10. Okay, but while we are updating the n, okay, so our value of n will be get lost, so we can store this n inside one variable. Okay, and we can do all the operation on temp instead of pen, so our value of n will be preserved. Okay, and we have to find c. Now we have to find the sum of digit and product of digit. Okay, so we can initialize the variable let sum equal to 0 and one variable as the product. Okay, we can say it is as 1, and here it will be 10. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to add the digit inside our previous sum. Okay, and now we need to update the product also. What will be new product? Product will be product into digit. And till when this while will loop, while will work? While will work only and unless if temp it is not equal to 0. This will be the condition for while loop. So now we are getting the sum and we are getting the products. Okay, and we have to find n percentage sum of digit and product of digit. So already we are having sum of digit inside some variable, and we are having product of digit inside product variable. And now we can directly do if n percentage, and here we can say sum plus product, and it is equal to 0, then yeah, number is divisible by sum and product, so we need to return true, otherwise we need to return false. Okay, now if we will submit the question, submit the solution, and on submitting the solution, time limit exceeded. Why time limit exceeded? We need to find this thing, sum of digit, and I have initialized okay, I have initialized a temp as the n, sum as the product, and okay, we need to run first basic test case. Okay, so here I have used the seal. So seal, what will happen in for the seal, like if the value is 0.12, okay, then it will become 1, because I am using math.seal. So I need the floor value, I need the 0, so I have to do floor. That's why earlier I was using the seal, and for seal it will not work because it will always greater than 0. Okay, now on running the test cases, it is passed, sample test cases is passed. Okay, and if now we will submit, hopefully it should work now. Yeah, it is work. So yeah, this was the solution. So basically, it was asking in this question, it was asking the digit of each number, and then we have to find the sum and product and do a certain operation. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up and make some comments. I'm not getting any comments. Bye bye.